The Akashic Records are believed to be a cosmic library detailing every soul's journey through time, offering a pathway to unlock our full potential. Rooted in theosophy and anthroposophy, they encompass all human experiences, past, present, and future, recorded in the ether. Accessing these records usually involves meditation. Begin by creating a sacred space, setting a clear intention, and entering a meditative state. Visualize entering a grand library where you meet guides and ask your questions, receiving insights through various forms. Write down any received messages or insights to reflect on them later, enhancing the personal connection to the experience. Utilize the Akashic Records for self-mastery by understanding past influences, gaining life clarity, and overcoming personal blockages. This ancient wisdom tool provides profound insights for healing, clarity, and personal growth, guiding us toward our highest potential.